In this video, you will see how you can indent to medical store. So let's quickly log in into system. I have dispensary login ID and password. As you can see, I have logged in into system and I can access ward department management. To create a new indent, click on raise new indent tab. Here you have a choice in head section like regular. Issuing department is medical store intersection. You can choose either of one. Indent date is auto-populated by system. And a request type, you got a three choice: routine, urgent, and quarterly. You can choose either of these three based on your requirement. To add a item into indent, you can search item by nomenclature as well as PVMS number. So I'll try to find some item. As you can see, I just enter 4 letter of amoxicillin and I got a list of all amoxicillin along with the combinations. So I'll choose one. And system also help you in deciding your MMF and quantity demanded. So you do not need to enter anything manually. You just need to choose a right nomenclature and rest of the job will be done by system. Let's add another item. So I'll proceed with 2 item only. To save an indent, you need to click on Save button. Now you can see I have just created indent with 2 items. In case you wish to modify your indent, you can always click on pencil button under action column. I'll add one more item. And after doing all the modifications, you need to click on update button. Now you can see number of items are 3. So we are done with the indenting part. To forward this indent electronically to medical store, MOIC of concerned ward and department has to approve this indent. Approval can be done from Approve Indent tab. To approve an indent, you need to click on View icon under Action column. You can see the details of your indent and you just need to click on Approve Indent. Click on OK. So you are done with indenting part and this indent has been forwarded to medical store. In case you wish to keep the record of your indent, system also provide you an option of printing indent. To print an indent, you need to click on print icon under action column.